There was a time when I was drowning in bills, frustrated by broken promises, and feeling like freedom was just out of reach. I tried side hustles, quick fixes, and even borrowed money, but every time I thought I was getting ahead, life hit me harder. I kept asking, why is it so hard just to breathe financially? I hit a wall the day I realized I was doing everything right by the system's standards, but still getting nowhere. That's when it finally clicked. The system wasn't built to set me free. It was built to keep me trapped. Something had to change. Then one day I discovered something different, a simple $5 formula. It wasn't just about money, it was about multiplying courage, faith, and freedom one household at a time. The reason I was stuck was because I believed I needed more to start, but all I really needed was to start. When I began using the 5 to Freedom formula, everything shifted. It wasn't me that was broken, it was the mindset of waiting, of needing permission. I didn't need permission, I needed movement. I began sharing this with 3 good friends, and they did the same. That's when I saw real duplication, real freedom happen. At first I was skeptical too. Just $5, just 3 people? But I couldn't ignore what I felt. The moment I took the leap, I realized I wasn't alone. I had a team, I had a movement, and I had someone to pray for me when I needed it most. Within just days, I saw something powerful. Not only did I experience financial movement, but spiritual clarity, because now I'm part of a bigger economy. Not the world's economy, the courage economy, and what's coming. The world's most intelligent blockchain technology. It's all part of what you'll access when you take your first step. And when the journey gets heavy, you don't have to carry it alone. That's why we created Tina, our 24/7 AI-powered prayer agent. She accepts your prayer requests and speaks life when you need it most. Call 978-861-5973 anytime. If you're where I was, you don't have to stay there. This isn't just an idea, it's a formula. It's faith, it's freedom. That's why we created this, to help you start with just $5 and watch God do the rest. Visit teamcourage.org Freedom Formula to get your info pack now. Your moment of courage is waiting.